When you pick up the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus, something instantly feels different. It's not just another mid-range phone trying to look premium. This one actually feels premium. At only 6.8mm thick, it's one of the slimmest phones Infinix has ever made. The curved edges, the lightweight body, and the glass finish give it this sleek, confident look that makes you wonder how did they fit all this power into something this slim. Then the moment the screen lights up, you realize this isn't just about design. The 6.78-inch 3D curved AMOLED display is bright, smooth and surprisingly vivid. It reaches up to 1300 nits, meaning under direct sunlight, everything stays visible. And with a 120Hz refresh rate, every wipe, scroll or animation feels portrait smooth. But what really got me curious is the 2160Hz instant touch sampling rate. It reacts almost instantly to your finger. That's something you usually notice when gaming or switching between heavy apps. It gives this snappy, flashy-like feeling that's rare on this level. And yes, there's a Corning Gorilla Glass protection, always on display, and a low blue light certification, so you can use it longer without hurting your eyes. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 chips, a 6nm processor designed for both power and efficiency. It runs cool, open up quickly, and even under multitasking it stays steady. Infinix says it passes a 5-year fluency test, meaning it should stay smooth even after years of use, which is quite a claim for this price segment. You get a 8GB of RAM, which can expand up to 16GB with extended memory, and storage option of 128 or 256GB, expandable up to 1TB. So storage anxiety is basically gone. Before we move on to the camera, if you are enjoying this breakdown, please take a second to like, share and subscribe. It helps me keep bringing you clear and honest phone review like this.